All right. Chapter 1, Section 2, first example. This is just where we're knowing intuitively, am I supposed to multiply or am I supposed to divide? So you have 12 pints. Let's draw a quick little picture of pints. There's a little P for pints. And it says you have 12 of those, and you're changing them into liters. Are liters bigger or smaller? Well, it says there's 2.1 of these P's. I'll draw two boxes that are about the same size. There's two of those in one of the liters, actually 2.1, so it's a little bit more. So which one's bigger, the liter or the pint? Well, the liter's bigger. So since I'm putting small things into bigger packages, am I going to multiply or divide? Will I have more of them or less of them? The answer is I'll have less of them. It's just intuitive, kind of an understanding that you would divide. So that's really the first skill. But now let's apply it to the second skill. If I had 12 pints, okay, and I wanted to change it, how does a fraction help me? Well, let's start with a fraction. 12 pints over 1 makes it into a fraction or a ratio, right? And I'm going to multiply by a fraction. So let me switch colors up real quick here. I already used green. Let's use blue. Okay. So I'm going to multiply by this other fraction. Where does pints need to be in my conversion factor? See, I've got 2.1 pints in 1 liter. This is 2.1 pints equals 1 liter. So the word pints, if it's going to cross cancel, it has to be on the bottom. See? 2.1 pints. And in a second here, I'll cross cancel that in 1 liter up top. So that when I go to do my math, I'm multiplying fractions. You can cross cancel the words. Who knew? You can. So you cross cancel the words, and you end up multiplying the top times the top and the bottom times the bottom. 12 times 1 is 12. And the only word that's left on the top is liters. And on the bottom, 1 times 2.1 is 2.1. We're not quite finished, but that's the key idea. And just a minute ago, we said we knew we were going to divide. And look, we have a division problem. That's what a fraction is. It's a division problem. So you have 12 divided by 2.1, which we could whip out our calculator, because we can. 12 divided by 2.1. And you get 5.71428,571. And we'll talk in just a minute about how to round that. But for the purpose of this, it ends up being 5.7. 5.7 liters. All right.